Welcome to this training tutorial of the Magellan authoring tool. This tutorial covers the basics in creating actions. In this tutorial, we are going to present the definition of an action, examples of actions, how to create an action, and how to test an action. In the first tutorial, we created a new project called Treasure Hunter. Open this project now in the Magellan program. Let's start with the definition of the term action in the context of the Magellan authoring tool. Actions, at the opposite of the activities, don't have any representation on the mobile screen. They are executed in the background and can be used to play a sound, give an item to someone, send an HTTP request to a server, read text, etc. Actions are represented with a green box in the scenario editor. Now, let's look at the different types of actions currently available to implement in the Magellan authoring tool. Send Analytics. The Send Analytics action allows the author to send an HTTP request to the Google Analytics server in order to register statistics during the scenario execution. It can be configured with the author account ID and the type of analytics to be sent. This action can be inserted at any point in the graph. Give Item. This action can be used to pick an item and add it to the current participant inventory. In case the game is a multiplayer game, the items taken by the participant are not available anymore to the other participants. Set Profile. This action is a draft of personalization aspects into Magellan. The author can define a set of variables to be assigned to the participant and check them with their profile condition in another location of the scenario. Read Text. This action reads out a text message defined by the author whenever it is activated. Play Sound. This action plays a sound selected by the author whenever it is activated. Drop Item. This action can be used to drop an item from the current participant inventory. In case the game is a multiplayer game, the item dropped by the participant becomes available to the other participants. Raise Event. This action can be used to raise a user event within the game. This event can then be caught with an event trigger condition in a different location in the scenario. Set Avatar. This action enables to change the avatar representation of the player to match, for example, with a successful achievement according to the player's role, team, and skills. Vibrate Device. This action enables phone vibration. Give Role. This action assigns a role to a participant. Let's move on to how to create an action in the Magellan authoring tool. To create an action, the author must simply right-click on the workspace of the scenario editor and select the Action submenu, or drag and drop the Actions button from the side menu to the scenario editor area, and then select the type of actions to be created. Let's create a play sound action for a treasure hunter game by selecting this option from the submenu. We now need to assign a sound file to this action box. To do this, we must first import the desired sound into the asset library. To import a sound file, simply drag and drop the file from the file system into the asset library window. Let's insert the congratulations sound. Now we can assign the sound to the play sound action that we created. Select the action in the scenario editor and then go to the selection editor and click to expand the drop-down list on the right to select the sound asset to be assigned to the action. Select the congratulations sounds from the list. Now, connect the success output from the message activity to the input of the play sound action box. To test that this works, click on the Play Simulation button. You should now see that when a player selects the team Pirates, they get the message, "Welcome Pirates, go to find the blue diamond," which is then followed by the congratulations sound.
Congratulations and celebrations.
This ends our tutorial on how to create actions in the Magellan authoring tool. Thank you for watching.